Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemon beer right in your own home using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients and equipment. Then, I'll walk you through the simple brewing process, from mixing to fermentation. Finally, we'll cover bottling and conditioning so you can enjoy your homemade brew. It's a fun and rewarding project. To begin, you'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and a packet of brewing yeast. For equipment, gather a large pot, a fermenting vessel, and several clean bottles. Remember, sanitation is key to a successful brew, so make sure all your tools and containers are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before you start. This prevents unwanted flavors and ensures a pure taste. First, boil about 2 liters of water with 2 cups of sugar until it dissolves completely, creating a simple syrup. Let this mixture cool down to room temperature. Once cool, add the juice and zest from your lemons. Now, it's time to pitch the yeast. Gently stir it into the lemon sugar water. This step kickstarts the fermentation process, transforming your sweet liquid into beer. After pitching the yeast, seal your fermenting vessel and let it sit for approximately 3 to 5 days. You'll notice bubbling, which indicates active fermentation. Once fermentation slows, it's time to bottle. Carefully transfer the beer into clean bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cap them securely and allow them to condition for a few more days before chilling and enjoying your refreshing homemade lemon beer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.